Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I have a very small haul, but this is a haul. It's from AliExpress I totally forgot I was waiting on it. When I ordered the KS Crafts April release, her die set, I also ordered some other dies outside of that collection. So here it is. It finally came in. I totally forgot about this. So it's here. I got Hello Kitties. It's a bunch of different Hello Kitties with different poses. And I've got the pieces, the backgrounds, and then the little accessories for her. Look at the tiny Hello Kitty bow. And then we have this one. She's a bumblebee. How cute is she? I can't wait to play with these. And then here's a bunny. So cute. I believe I'm still waiting for a few more sets. I might be mistaken, but I think I also have the Halloween and the others coming. But this was a while ago, and this finally came separate. So that was one of the hauls I wanted to share with you. So I might be having more trickle in. Hopefully it gets here before I move. You know, it's a lot of time. So here, this is a special haul. This is from Nicole Silhouette, and she is the designer for most of these die companies that we all truly love. So she releases her own dies and stamps once in a while. So this time around is her doll collection. And thank you, Nicole, for sending this so quickly. I'm amazed it's here already. It actually came here a day ago, but I'm just now having time to do a video. It's super strong. And I've also, once you see this, I've also placed another order because she has other dies coming in. So here it is. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. So here we go. This is from Nicole. She gave me some extra. My freebie. Oh, my gosh, Nicole. She knows I love her pins. Oh, thank you so much. Yay. Oh, I love her backer thing. Yes. So, yes. Oh, my gosh. I get to put this in my collection. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, you're so sweet, Nicole. Thank you so much. So Nicole released a new die collection, which are her little dolls, and everyone is in love with it. I am too. Super excited. So here is her little card. You can find her here on YouTube, Nicole Silhouette, and on Instagram, Nicole's Paper Crafts. But she has her Etsy shop, and it's also Nicole Silhouettes. Okay, guys? So I'll try to put all her links in the description box down below. Yes! Oh my gosh. So this is the base for the dolls, her faces. And then I also picked up, what? Nicole, this is the stencils for her eyes. How pretty. Look at that. And she's got her name embossed on the stencil. You can see it right there. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh. All the cute faces. Is it upside down? It's upside down. Let me see. Is it upside down? Wait, I don't know which way is which. So I'm thinking this is one where she's smiling, the smiling eyes, the sleepy eyes. Very cute. She's got some with hearts on the side and stars and the little tears. Cute, cute, cute. Nicole. Thank you. Anywho, this is her little, what is this called? The Little Witch. Let me see if I could pull up. Let me really quickly. It's Pixie Witch. Oh my goodness. I'm so in love with her hair. I would definitely use her with the braid. Look at that. So cute. And she's got all the Halloween accoutrements for her. I'll try to leave a picture in the video, so what she looks like all assembled. But she's very cute. And I think this is cute girl Sani. I can't say her name. I'm butchering her name right now. But she comes with some really cute glasses. How cute. The detailing, the little curly cues for her hair. Oh, so pretty. I can't wait. I want to play with these now. I think this one is the Meliza. I might be wrong, but let's see. I think this is the Meliza doll. She came out the same time as the Pixie doll, the Pixie Witch, I think. Anyways, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Yes, so this is the Princess Meliza. I should write the names on here so we can know. And then this is the boy set. I love this. What do you call that? Excuse me. Here is the base for the boy. So you have to buy the base as of right now. You have to buy the base for the dolls. And that's the boy here. I think it's Ben. I think it's called Ben. Let me see. Son. See, I think this is the base for her. Girl, I don't know anymore. I'm just confusing myself. And I think these are the birthday. No, that's not the birthday. Girl, I'm just messing up. Okay, I'm messing up. I can't remember. Here's the base. Here's the base for the girl. And I cannot remember anything right now. So she has a bunch of accessories. She comes with some scissors, some glasses, some buttons. She has arms here so you can pose her and hold some stuff. And this one, yeah, I really should have wrote the names or taken a picture of them. I can't remember, but this is the boy die set. And she has 2 boy sets, I think. And this name is Thomas. No, Thomas is the one with the baseball hat. So here's the baseball hat. So this is Thomas. And he is an addition to the original boy set. And he has glasses too. Look at his glasses are cute. Cute, cute, cute. And he's wearing a hoodie. Here's the baseball cap. And then he's got 2 hairstyles here, I guess, or layering pieces. And what is this one? It's probably, oh, this is the pocket for the hoodie. And then these are the drawstring, the details that go onto his little hoodie. But here's the base. He's got a puffy jacket, I think. Let's see. Ben. But yep, this is Ben, and he is the base. It comes with the hair, the layering pieces, a nice little jacket. Cute. He's got a shirt. He even has the body is the base for all the dolls for the boys. So far she has 2 boys. And I believe, I swear, I don't know. Where did it go? Is this it? Is this the base for the girls? Oh, here it is. She's the base because she's the body. There's the body. There's a face. They are supposed to emboss on the paper, but I think I like the stencil. And then this is the blank for the face. And you can use that and then add the eyes, whichever eyes you want on your face. So, but they all come with cute little embossed faces. So if you don't have the stencil and you just want to use that face, that's fine too. So look at that. See, her lashes are longer, and there's different sets of lashes. So these 2 look similar. And this one, her eyes are open. Long lashes. This one's different, smiley. And see how there's another different face. So I love the options, many options, but you definitely want to purchase Sani. I'm saying it wrong. I know I am, because this is the base for all the dolls. This is the base, and then this one has arms. And I think I ordered the edition. Here's Meliza, and I don't know the other girls' names. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I gotta find the names for all those dies. Anyway, oh my gosh, longer than it should be. Anyways, thank you, Nicole, for my dies. It came really quickly. I've already ordered her new edition, which is the birthday set add-ons. What is the other one? Oh no, Papercraft add-ons, and the other one is Eileen, the Eileen set, and that comes with the hands to hold a present or put whatever in their hands, basically. So really great die sets. I will definitely show you those when they come in. Now, mind you, this is coming all the way from, you know, where is she again? Far, far away. She is far, far away. Let me see. Netherlands, because I was about to say Norway, and I might be, you know, it might be the same thing, but I don't want to be saying something to be a lie. So, yes, guys, go check out Nicole, and please go show her some love, and I will see you all in the next crafty video. If you're new here, welcome. Join our Crafty family. Hit the subscribe button. It's free to join. And while you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load a new video like this one or when I go live here on my channel. So go check it out. Check out Nicole. I'll leave the links in the description box down below. See you all next time. Bye.